Aditan. This is a very rare Oriki. It is an Oriki given to a child who is expected to go into a very intelligent adult. Let us break it down. Aditan. The main words in that Oriki are the words di and tan. The word di means to pack tightly or to tie or to be well packaged, to bind. Tan is a word that means complete, full, to do something completely or to finish doing something. Aditan, therefore, literally means the one whose package has been fully packed. Ẹni tá a ti di tirẹ̀ tán, the things this child needs to prepare the child for success has been completely packed. What we are saying is that this child's opportunities, this child's good fortune has been completely packed from heaven. Aditan is a child whose endowments are complete. Ọmọ tó ti di tirẹ̀ tán, the child who shall not be found lacking in any good thing. Everything that this child needs to be prepared for establishment and a life of success is fully within this child. Aditan. Wàá Ṣere.